Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin and unpin your software file folder in Taskbar. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start these videos. You can see in here, this is our file. You can also pin your folder in Taskbar. Simply right click on it and drag it to Taskbar like this. Now you can see our text file is pinned in Taskbar. So now you know how you can pin our file in Taskbar. Now I'm going to unpin this. Right click on it and simply click on Unpin from Taskbar. Now I'm going to click on the Start menu. From here you can see there are many apps available. Simply you can drag and drop in Taskbar. You can add or you can pin your software like this. So I'm going to unpin this again, or simply right click on it, go to more and select pin to Taskbar. From here it's also do the same thing. So in this way you can easily pin your software file folder and unpin your software file and folder. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.